Good morning, students. I hope you all are enjoying good health. Welcome to the computer class of 5th standard. Now open page number 30 of your book. Today we will start with lesson number 3, Advanced Features of Word Processor 1. In this chapter, we will discuss Format Painter, applying subscript, superscript and shadow effects, applying header and footer. The objective of this chapter is to learn some editing and formatting tools. MS Word not only provides the facility to type and edit the text, but it also offers features to enhance the overall appearance of the text. So in this lesson, you will enhance your skills by learning some advanced formatting tools. I would like to tell you some important key terms related to this chapter. So the first key term is MS Word. A word processor helps you to create documents. Format Painter, this tool is used to copy the formatting effects to another selection. Subscript places the text below the baseline. Superscript places the text above the baseline. And shadow effect, it gives 3D look to the selected text. Header and footer places the information at the top and at the bottom of every page. So we will start with our first topic, that is the Format Painter. Format Painter is used to copy and apply text formatting. The steps to apply Format Painter are: select the text, click on the Format Painter button that is present on the Home tab and in the clipboard group. After that, the pointer changes into a brush shape. Apply the copied format by dragging the brush. So we will do it practically. I have written some lines over here. So I'm going to apply some formatting effects to the first line. To apply the formatting effects, we firstly select the text. Now I'm going to apply some formatting effects like font style, font size. Suppose I've taken here size 24 and the font color. Now I want to apply these formatting effects to the next line also. So either I can follow the same steps like select the text and click on the required formatting effect, or I can choose the Format Painter tool present in the clipboard group on the Home tab. Simply click on the Format Painter tool, drag the mouse. Here the brush shape appears, so drag the mouse over the next line. So what you are observing here, that the formatting effects which we have applied to the first line, that same formatting effects are applied to the next lines also. And now our next topic is applying subscript and superscript. Subscript option place the text below the baseline, as well as superscript option places the text above the baseline. So the steps to apply subscript and superscript are, suppose for example here the option is given M2, type M2 and select 2. Here we want to apply subscript or superscript effect to the number 2. So we have to select the number 2 on which we want to apply superscript or subscript. And the next step is select the superscript. Now let's see the practical of this also. Suppose I have taken, let's erase it first. Okay, I have written, as we know that TH comes above the baseline of 5. So what we will do, we will select the alphabets T and H and just simply click on the, here it is on the font group on the Home tab, and just press on the superscript. So the text automatically goes above the baseline. Our next example is of subscript. Suppose I have written one formula of science like H2O, that is a formula of water in science. So here the 2 comes below the baseline of H. So what I will do, select the number 2 and click on the subscript button. So the 2 automatically goes to the baseline of H. Open page number 31 of your book. Our next topic is applying shadow effect. Shadow effects add shadow effect to the text, and the steps to apply shadow effect are: select the text, click on the shadow button, and it is present on the home tab in the font group. And to apply other special effects on the selected text, click on the font dialog box launcher. Select the required font effect in effect sections like strike through, small caps, all caps, shadow, etc. So I'm going to perform the practical of how to apply the shadow to the text. So firstly, I will select the text on which I want to apply the shadow effect. Click on the shadow effect button, drop down arrow. Here's the option comes shadow option, and you can choose any of the option according to your requirement. So the shadow effect is applied to the text. Now the next one is, I'm going to tell you about the use of the font dialog box launcher button. This is the font dialog box launcher button, this one. Just click on the font dialog box launcher button. Here are some effects like strike through, double strike through, small caps, all caps, subscript, superscript, etc. So I'm going to choose this option, all caps, and you can also preview the changes over here. Suppose I click on strike through, you can all see the changes appeared on the text. So click on OK. So the font effects which you have selected will be applied on the text. Our next topic is header and footer. Header and footer is used to place some information, important information, on the top and at the bottom of the page. That information can include titles, chapter heading, date, page number, author names, etc. So the steps to apply header and footer are: click on Insert tab, click on Header button, click on Edit Header option, type the text. In the same way we can apply footer also. Click on Footer button, click on Edit Footer button, type the text, click on Close Header and Footer button. To insert header and footer, click on the Insert tab, click on the Header drop down arrow. There are some inbuilt headers. You can choose any of the header from these options also, or you can click on Edit Header to create your own header. Suppose I am giving here the name of the book like Pointers, Class 5th. And we can create our own footer also. There are some inbuilt footers over here also. But if you want to create your own footer, just click on Edit Footer. You can write the page number at the bottom of the document. After applying header and footer button, just click on Close Header and Footer option, and it is available on the Design tab. Remember that when you insert header and footer, Design tab appears automatically. So just click on Close Header and Footer. What you can observe that header and footer will be applied on the top and at the bottom of the document. See, this is your header, and after scrolling our document we can see our footer also. So today I have discussed some advanced formatting effects like Format Painter, applying subscript and superscript, applying shadow effect, applying header and footer. I will discuss further in the next session. Till then you have to read pages 30, 31 and 32, and you have to learn and write important terms on copy. Thank you.